Hi everyone, my name is Bob Corby and welcome to Mad Labs. Now with these videos and segments, this is a new channel we just started here. With these videos and segments, we're going to be teaching you and giving you tutorials from anywhere from beginning to advanced on all about WordPress and everything you can do with it. I've been working with WordPress since 2004. I've been programming since about 1995. And so let's get into this, and go ahead, if you like these videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Subscribe. No, not that one. That one. Let's get started here at Mad Labs. This is an introduction video, and our next video will be giving a full course and starting with what web hosting company to use. That I use. I've been using Bluehost since the Matt Heathen days back in late 90s or early 2000s. Can't quite remember. It's been a long time. It was one of the first people getting the Bluehost back then. And of course, it's been sold. And but I don't purchase my domains there. I purchase my domains over at 101.com, and then I do a name server transfer, and I just transfer the name of the URL over to Bluehost where I do the hosting. So we're gonna get into that. There's a lot of ways to install Bluehost, or not install Bluehost, to install WordPress onto your hosting server, onto Bluehost or whatever hosting company you decide to use. There is so many different ways, but I will be doing the hardcore technical way, but actually downloading WordPress from WordPress.org, and we're going to be getting on to this stuff and why I do that and the technical factor. So again, subscribe guys, and welcome to Mad Labs.